Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a crochet hairband. So let's get started. This is one flower and I have made the many flowers of different colors. So this is the right side. Same as I am going to connect the remaining 4 flowers. As you can look, I have connected all the 8 flowers. So you can see the opposite side is like this. Now I am going to attach the beads with the glue gun. In the time you have to practice. So as you can look, I am going to connect it with a glue gun. You can cut it with scissors. And now I am going to attach that one. Same as I am going to attach with the remaining flowers. You can see that I have connected all the beads. Now I am going to make the strands on the both sides. Now you can see that the length of all these flowers is 5 cm and I am going to make total 20 cm length. So let's get started. So starting from that point, here we are going to start. Just a double crochet, that is chain 1 and chain 2. Look at this one. I am going to make double crochet, 2 into 1, again 2 into 1, again double crochet, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, same as 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. Now look at this, I am going to turn over and chain 1, again make double crochet, 2 into 1 and 2 into 1, yarn over, pull through and again 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Again double crochet. I'm going to make the strands on the both sides by double crochet. If you have any ambiguity, you can stop the video and see it with the slow motion. Again double crochet. Now these both sides are equal. Now I am going to make from that end double crochet. 1, same as on the both sides I am going to make. This is 2, 3 and 4, 5. So you can see we have to balance that point. Chain 1 and make double crochet. Yarn over again, pull through, pass through 2 and pass through 2. Again same as I am going to make to complete that round. That is 1, 2 and 3. You can look that the third round is complete, and now I am going to start the fourth round. So there are total 13 double crochet. This one 13 double crochet. Now look at this one I have made. This is second and this is third, fourth and 5, 6. Now I'm going to skip this one, 7th one crochet, just to reduce the width. I'm going to skip this one, move into next one. Now remaining I am going to make 6 double crochet. 1 I have skipped, 6 from this side and 6 from this side, total 13 double crochet. In every round I am going to skip 1. So you can see again the round 5 is going to start. Again I am going to make from that end double crochet, skipping 1 and move into next one. Now in the 5th round I have made 5 double crochet. Now I'm going to skip this one and move into this one. Yarn over, insert into this one by skipping 1. Same as I am going to make the rounds by skipping 1. Now you can look, I have made the length of Total 8 inches length I have made, and from 8th round I decreases 1 double crochet, and now furthermore I continue as it is. As that is the one side, as you can look. Now I'm going to use a black color, so you have to stitch it. So look at this point carefully. I'm going to stitch it with the crochet hook. You can also stitch it with the needle. If it is easy for you to stitch with needle, you can stitch it. So you can see I have stitched it with the crochet hook. You can see that is the forehead of the band, and that is the strip. That is the one strip. And now I am going to make the second strand same as it is I have made. Now you can see I have made the second strand of also the 8 inches. Now I am going to connect that rubber band from that end, as you can see. Look at this. I am going to connect it as I have previously connected. So you can connect it. Now I am going to terminate that point. Now you can see it is completed.